Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka state level cooperative federations kala play perda ya ka jingrakhe bashita yolenter ya ka 64th All India Cooperative Week celebration ha ka khat sautarik unai weng 8000 khat nyau ha sajer community hall nongpo. Ha ka baka menteri badai khmi ya ka nat cooperation ka sarkar jila ka kong Roshan Wajri kala yodon lang kum ka kongsan kat bau ba H Marwan additional chief secretary ka sarkar jila ulalong kum usumbut kongsan. Kapang pedang jong ni gajing rakhi kalong empowering people through digitalization of cooperative but kamat yakran hakani gasngi kalong halor ka good governance and professionalization through cooperatives. Hakani gasngi la penkop buramru ya kinong trei bala khamyaw hakani ka kam ni ki veteran cooperator jong ka jala but kiwi.
Every year from 14th to 20th of November is celebrated as the cooperative day. This is the cooperative week. The main reason for the celebration is to see that how far we have progressed. What are the problems we face and what are the achievements that has been made by the cooperatives. Cooperatives, they play a very important role. Nalor ka public sector, kita mungkin ki MECL, KMCCL, ki public sector. Di dalam ki private sector, kini ki punya kini ki cement plant punya ki Riushimet, but di dalam ki cooperatives. Ni lam kini ki artili ki public sector but ki private sector. Ki penyo executor ki priyo ki rural area sekini ki nokundong. But we are now bakani ko cooperative ki cooperatives kilong very important for the development, the growth of and economic well-being of the people in the rural areas. I think we should hold some sort of a meeting, like a discussion with the state level cooperatives and with the banks, so that the teething problems which the people face in getting loans, we may talk big, but when it comes down to the ground, it is these problems that have crippled the cooperatives in our state. Kini stop bagi priyo bagi shem baga cooperative ni kala pun ki shukman. Kibon ki ru ne tanga bank loan ne kibon ki iba pendako ay kani ka cooperative state ni. Admi we state kom ki cooperatives kila three board ba ki we state ki penyo ajin toy ba ki priyo. Kita kani ka amol butter ko mo kisi muntan. Kani ki besna ko amol ko separate Boroshi India baca baru kali bakisna ki cooperatives Gujarat te bale ngiru ki mlaban yolam gum kata ka karon ka kipon ki jimruna hangi lesi ko madan ko uru iron kampan baki pri cooperatives ngi ipon ki pashithia kidon tanga ko gun ki betrika but ki cooperatives ki betrika ba ki dei ki cooperatives haba ki secretary ne ki chairman ki betik interest ki dei ta ki bayono लेकिन ठीक इंटरेस्ट सी कतो का नहीं ना का कोऑपरेटिव्स बोन का कोऑपरेटिव्स का फील मिले
कुमांगी ये ते बा अगर सरकार अंता ना पॉप मेघालय नेकलेंग साउदो negeri India kamlong syu ka besok bangin ong bagi khujungi ki yo kam सरकार dul baro kamlong syu ka besok we have almost reached a saturated level. And therefore, di nada kadang berkumang ni kapor, kalau so imperative, kalau kepada kam tam mental kum dapat pengkhan yang di cooperative movement. Nomor dilang ma jong kini ki seng trailang, katto kat ningot mo mental di SSGs, tang sanggur I think 5 people can form an SSGs, sanggur kilala akan form self-help group. Berkuntat tertel. Pakine ki penyang ki jong ki kam ki jam bajang jong ki jat ki kanom ni ngaso komen si ba nglayo ay kalan akisnan ki belalay ko bandan po ka Megla Cooperative Apex Bank Limited kom ka chairperson masuk komen ang ni don reformer chairman ng Apex Bank ba W Kindia Magazine trace down jogi members. Kumayetip, a cooperative society is formed because of the members. It has to be member driven. Kunakan menai ba solia, ba pia solia, officer on special duty juga mai yang kumno. We don't come but you yang leadership kumakai. But hajo ko por bare yang jingkan ru jogi members juga cooperative society. Tamo kadi bendan ru ka join leadership. Ka join leadership, ka join accountability, ba ka join responsibility. Hakba most importantly debendan ki AGMs. Ka annual general meeting ka dibendong mandatory for each society. Khanang banyo ban submitting statement of account. Khanang magi dekhot jong atun society kintip yang ayo adu. Kanu ki investment kila invest, kanu ka jingrot ba kanu ka jingyonom. Kani kalong barangkam do bata.
Jing du jing kermen kapin long yangi ban shan ya hu blei ka hok yeng sakhi wan ai jing isi kan te mrau shita ban buat ki snagi megi pa lano ka perthai kan yo iyangi sembo jing berkha kin ma jalenti hanya ka syarah hari ka batu wan ai bakan lim wan bu hapu kru kamaya ka hok ubarim na benwi ubenaya kande Dayak naga thoki rong hong ka perthai na bengun yalade Nijak ka mentah Ihir mendarim Kawat ka jistar Dei barshim Ngin ba laling kor Ngin hong syakijan Haba kut kaki Ngin yo ulong siya Kamaya ka
The award includes a cash award of rupees 10,000, a memento, and a certificate of appreciation.
Before we will quickly Labat Hakam Secretary General Karikana Service Cooperative Society Negosyan Akanais Papo. Ilayo ay kanil pusmam nagbenta ng Trishitong Packaging no nine spotlight way. Kanil po buhay sa kapan kasi ay may sa professional. Ano kung sa ito ay pinagkakli at pinawa at punjuri.